Hey, I'm Dale, a senior product engineer at Intercom. Finn works across more channels than any other agent, now including Slack. Finn supports our customers directly in Slack communities and Connect channels, resolving questions instantly with replies that stay threaded and feel native to Slack. Cool, so let me show you how this works. So Slack lives amongst all the other channels in the settings. If I click in here, you can see that I've set up a workspace previously called Sentinel Bank, and I've connected 2 channels. You can also configure your Slack workspace to decide when messages within Slack create a conversation in Intercom. I've set up a trigger in this workspace for an emoji reaction. So when a user reacts with a ticket emoji, a conversation within Intercom will be created. You can configure one or more triggers, for example, when a user is mentioned in a message or when a keyword is used within a message. Okay, so let me show you how this looks on Slack. So as a customer of Sentinel Bank, I want to know how I can reset my online banking password. But of course, this won't create a conversation within Intercom until I add an emoji reaction. Cool. So I've added the emoji reaction. This should then create a conversation within Intercom. This will be useful for high volume channels where you don't want every message within the channel to create a conversation within Intercom. Perfect. So it looks like Finn has responded within the thread. All of your conversations will be held within a thread, and this keeps everything in the same place so context isn't lost. Looks like Finn has resolved the customer's query, but for the sake of this demo, we're going to escalate to a human. Cool. So if I go back to the inbox now, you'll see that the conversation can be seen directly within the inbox. You can see the Slack channel logo on conversation parts and within the composer. This makes it clear that you're replying to a Slack conversation. Okay, let me jump in now with some human support. So a teammate has responded, and let me show you how this looks in Slack. Cool. So the teammate's message is populated into the exact same thread as before, keeping everything in the same place as mentioned. And you can see the teammate's avatar and name as well. Okay, let's continue the conversation with the teammate. So John wants to update his home address on his account, and the teammate has the perfect thing for this. So as a teammate now, I can send a ticket form to John to allow him to update his home address. Perfect. So when I go back to Slack, you'll see the teammate's message along with the create ticket button. And when John clicks this button, he'll be presented with a ticket form. So let me fill this out. Great. This will create a ticket within Intercom so the teammate can continue helping John. You can see the ticket now has been created. You can also use Intercom to send direct messages from Intercom to users on Slack. So let's send a DM to John to let him know that his contact details have been updated. Cool. So if I go back to Slack now to show the user experience, you can see that John has received a message from Intercom. I'm going to go into the messages. You can see the message from the teammate. I click reply to this message. Thank the teammate and close out the issue. In addition to what I've shown you, we also support emoji reactions, one-time broadcast messages to your Slack channels, and notifications on Slack too. Delivering exceptional support isn't just about being available. It's about being present where your customers already work and collaborate. With Finn over Slack, you can extend world-class AI support into your most active channels. This is available to all Finn users, so you can start supporting customers directly in Slack today.